Hi, I'm James Daly. I'm a Client Relationship Manager at Energy Efficient Solutions Group. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the partnership between ourselves and Reading Football Club, and also a little bit about the lighting upgrades that we have been completing here the last few months. This project came around at the ideal time as it coincided with their announcement of becoming more sustainability club, working with Reading University, and also the climate stripes on the kit. We first got into discussion about the partnership this time last year when we came for a hospitality match. We sponsored the QPR game, and we noticed that a lot of the lights are not LED, and there could be great potential for a lot of savings. And also with Reading's announcement of becoming a more sustainable club, there's a great opportunity there for us to get involved and see how we can help them. So we specialise in mainly public and private sector, working on large scale commercial environments and other areas as such. So once the project is completed, we're looking at an 80% reduction in the electricity costs, and that equates to about £115,000 a year saving on that bill as well. It's great to be able to come here and help out Reading FC, not only on their sustainability journey, but saving them money. And a lot of people come here to get away from all of the worries that are surrounding the world, so it's nice to be a part of that. In terms of next steps, we're currently looking into other technologies that we can implement across the stadium, and we are looking forward to working with Reading on their sustainability and net zero journey.